A lot of AI video generators out there produce weird artifacts, blurry faces, or clips that just scream fake. If you try to run those as ads, your conversion rates will tank. But what if you could harness the power of the newest generative model specifically built into a platform designed solely for media buyers? Today, I'm going to show you how to generate flawless production-ready video creatives using the King 3.0 model right inside your browser. So here we are in Max Fusion. AI-generated ads are improving fast, but one of the biggest challenges is still creating visuals that actually feel high quality and production ready. Inside Max Fusion, you can combine King 3.0 with their built-in Riz lip sync model to create realistic AI and creatives without needing to jump between multiple platforms. And one of the biggest advantages here is simply speed. Instead of spending hours rendering, fixing generations, or rebuilding scenes, the workflow is designed to take you from idea to finished creative much faster. And we are here inside the creation dashboard, selecting King 3.0 as the primary generation model. And compared to older AI video generators, the jump in visual quality here is immediately noticeable. So we've selected it 3.0. And from here, you can start building scenes based on winning ad concept, product angle, or existing creative structure. The process itself stays pretty straightforward.
This serum is absolutely worth the hype.
But the quality of the output usually comes down to how detailed and intentional your scene descriptions are. The clips are rendered directly inside the workspace in high resolution with much cleaner motion and fewer visual artifacts. And this is really where King 3.0 stands out. The movement, lighting, and overall realism feels significantly closer to production quality footage compared to earlier AI generations. So then we save that image and that footage, and then what we do, we select the model we are going over. So we're selecting the UGC style actors generated with King, and then we're going to select Riz module to map the performance onto the generated actor. So this is where the combination of high quality visuals and accurate lip sync starts to create something that feels much more realistic and usable for actual and creatives. And then one thing that's still important though is positioning and scripting. Even with powerful AI tools, you still need real thought behind the ad, angle, messaging, and structure. Now, if the creative itself feels low effort, the final result usually reflects that. The goal should always be creating something you'd actually feel comfortable running inside a real ad account. Now, that once the scenes and lip sync clips are ready, everything can be assembled directly onto the project timeline. At this stage, it becomes more about pacing and making sure the visuals match the overall message. And ideally, all of this is being built around a manually written script that's properly researched and strategically structured. The AI helps accelerate production, but the core marketing angle still matters most. From there, what we need to do, we just check through the script. We make sure the script is fine. If we've got any more alterations, we do them. And from there, the final export is focused on turning everything into a polished production ready ad creative. And overall, the biggest advantage here is just reducing the time between concept, production, and launch without sacrificing quality. So by combining King 3.0 generation with the built-in Riz lip sync system, Max Fusion makes it much easier to create realistic AI ads, UG style content, and high-end creative variations all inside a single platform. Ready to upgrade your ad creatives with the power of King 3.0? Click the link below to sign up for Max Fusion AI. Grab your tokens and start building high converting ads today. Don't forget to hit the like button and tap subscribe. See you in the next one.